How to auto cut videos on CapCut PC. What is up everybody? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily auto cut your video on CapCut PC. First of all, open up CapCut on your PC and open up any project where you want to apply the auto cut effect. So I've got this project right here. So what I'm going to do is, let's say if I want it to auto cut on certain scenes where the scenes changes, I can just select the video, right click on it. And once you right click on the video, you'll have a menu pop up on your screen. And on that menu section, all you have to do is find the split scenes option. It's currently free, but in the near future, I think they're going to make it a pro feature. But as of now, it's a free feature that you can use on CapCut PC. Just right click on the clip and then click on split scenes. Now it will automatically analyze the entire video and split the scenes accordingly where the scenes changes. So just wait for it to complete up to 100%. And as you guys can see here, it has automatically split up the video into different parts where there are different scenes. So let's just move it to this part here and I'm going to play it. So if I just play the video, as you can see where this scene changes, it split the video here as well. And all of these different parts, it has automatically analyzed the video and has changed the scene. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.